हाँ अवधूत, वो बाहर मीटिंग में बिजी हैं। आजकल तो कॉलेज के मैटर्स के लिए वो प्रताप अंकल के साथ बाहर मीटिंग में जाते रहते हैं। कैंपस में उनके केबिन में भी तो बहुत सारे मीटिंग के कामों का माहौल चल रहा है आजकल। तुम तो ये सब जानते ही होंगे अवधूत। इसलिए आजकल हफ्ते में 2-3 बार तो लेट होते ही हैं तुम्हारे डैड। और हो भी क्यों ना, इतने बड़े एसीसीएस कैंपस के प्रिंसिपल जो है तुम्हारे डैड, तो इतनी सारी जिम्मेदारियां तो संभालनी ही पड़ेंगी उन्हें। इसलिए वो बिजी है आजकल इस सब में। ओह, तो वो अभी तक नहीं आए? कॉलेज में भी नहीं आए वापस जब मैं वहाँ से इधर आ रहा था मॉम। तुमने सही कहा। आजकल बहुत बिजी होते हैं वो। कैंपस में भी उनके केबिन में वो बिजी रहते हैं सारा वक्त, कभी कामों में तो कभी मीटिंग्स में। बहुत सारे टेढ़े मामलों को सुलझाना पड़ता है, इसलिए उनको उतना वक्त देना ही पड़ता है ना मॉम। इसलिए डैड बिजी होते हैं हमेशा। लेकिन अब ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने होने आए हैं मॉम डैड की कैंपस में सरप्राइज विजिट करते हुए। हर कोई उन्हें मिस कर रहा है आजकल। एक वक्त में वो और प्रताप अंकल कभी कभी एक साथ या फिर अलग अलग एक सरप्राइज विजिट कर ही लेते थे कैंपस में, ताकि क्या कुछ चल रहा है क्या नहीं ये सब देखने के लिए। कुछ बुरा हो रहा हो तो वो सीधा हो जाता था, और जो उन्हें अच्छा दिख जाता, कोई स्टूडेंट कुछ अच्छा काम करते हुए, तो वो उन्हें बहुत पसंद आता था और वो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को याद भी रखा करते थे मॉम। लेकिन आजकल तो ये सब कहीं गुम हो चुका है मॉम। एवरीवन इज मिसिंग माई डैड बिग टाइम। हाँ क्यों नहीं अवधूत, आखिर सबके प्यारे प्रिंसिपल सर जो हैं वो कैंपस के, वो अगर तुम सबको इतना प्यार देते हैं तो लाजमी है कि वो भी उन्हें उतना ही प्यार करते होंगे। और वैसे भी तुम्हारे डैड जैसा आदमी बहुत ही कम मिलेगा ऐसी बड़ी इंस्टीट्यूशन को अवधूत। उनकी सोच हमेशा सबके फ़ायदे के लिए होती है। Yes mom, even we all know that at campus. And that is why all of us love dad so much as a principal of this celebrated campus. Lots of creativity, lots of opportunities, lots of exposure, and lots of love. Yes, mom, lots of love. I heard many of them saying that it is the environment of freedom at campus that have allowed them to achieve what they were looking for. And it is a big thing, mom, as college culture do inspire every single person to go in certain direction, mom. And believe me, ACCS has got one of the best possible campus culture to grow in all possible aspects. There are a lot of things to learn each day, each hour, and each minute over there. I saw students are making most of such campus culture benefits to expand their circle of skills. I do get to know these things when we meet other college students, and after hearing their own college stories, we do come to know that we are in the best campus culture than what they are. And that is why our students do better in all fronts. And dad and Pratap sir are very much responsible for all this, mom. Yes, Pratap sir has good political background, business acumen, contacts and whatnot. But it is our dad's dedication for our campus that even Pratap uncle do many things just on the words of my dad, mom. And that takes lot of faith to involve in. And dad has succeeded all these years to acquire this faith with his creative mind, hard work and dedication. I am so proud of my dad. अवधूत, ये तो सब सही है। अपने पिताजी की तो हर कोई तारीफ पे तारीफ ही करेगा, और क्यों नहीं, अपने डैड की तरह तुम भी तो एक अच्छे बेटे हो हमारे, जो बिना कहे हमारे मन की बात, हमारे गम और सुख हर कुछ जान लेता है। और क्या चाहिए होता है किसी माँ बाप को अवधूत। चलो तुम अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो, आज मैं तुम्हारे पसंद का खाना बनाती हूँ। तब तक तो तुम्हारे डैड भी आ जाएंगे, तो उनके लिए उनके पसंद की स्वीट डिश भी तो बनानी है मुझे। Yes, mom. Love you, mom. See you at the dinner time. Love you. Ma'am, can I have a time with you to discuss my study related matters? Who? Ekta? Yes, dear. Please come. You don't need to ask any permission or something. Yes, please. Have a seat here. And yes, speak your mind. Well, ma'am, wanted to have a word with you for Biology 2 related topics for midterm exam preparation, ma'am. Can I? Yes, Ekta. Please go ahead, dear. I would be more than happy to share something with you. I like those kids who always ask questions. So sweet of you, ma'am. Well, ma'am, I wanted to ask basic scenarios of scoring more marks in Bio 2 subject. As I know myself, it is this subject that troubles me more than rest all. Well, not thoroughly, ma'am, but to certain extent. If I get 95 out of 100 in rest all subjects, then I get 85 out of 100 in Bio 2 subject. That is why I want to reduce this 10 marks gap to at least come closer to 3 or 5 to reach 90 to 92 or even 95 in this subject out of 100. Please help me at it, ma'am. I do feel I am doing some kind of mistake in it. I always follow your lectures very closely when it comes to your subject and do follow all kinds of detailed instructions that you give. But still, something is missing from my paper preparation that I lose those extra 7-10 marks in it, ma'am, and that hampers my overall tally of all subjects, plus with total percentages too. And I want your help at it, ma'am. Please. Hmm. Yes, Ekta, we can definitely work out something for you. Don't worry. And luckily, I do collected your Bio 2 paper answer sheets as what I remember for Ravi, Madhuri, even Kirti or Kumar. You all 6-7 bunch of kids. I know precisely your paper conduct mannerisms and the way you make certain mistakes at it. Yes, I know them very well, Ekta. In your case particularly, I want to ask how's your drawing or sketching skills are. I mean, for diagrams and all. Well, ma'am, to be honest, poor. Very poor. I can hardly draw something good. I know all the terminologies of any diagram very well. But, ma'am, when it comes to drawing any shape or something, it takes whole lot of efforts to draw even one single specimen or any animal in case. Well, Ekta, as I clearly see few drawbacks of your this subject paper conduct, yes, this is one of it only, the actual way of drawing diagrams. Well, to be precise, I can't tell you to take any drawing classes or art lectures to attend and get to know how to draw diagrams. But yes, I can share something with you, Ekta. Even I had a same issue when I was a kid at my graduation days. Was good in studies and with all detailing and terminologies, but was poor in drawing the diagrams. And it took lot of toll on me in my final tally of marks, Ekta, which is like you are experiencing right now. So my dad simply did one thing. He never gave me any lecture or any drawing tuitions to go for. In fact, he went to the market and came back with big size slate and with few bunch of chalks. That black slate was almost of the half of the size of any medium sized blackboard. And then he asked me to open my heart out on that black slate. Well, initially I looked directly in his eyes for this kind of weird thing. But then he himself went to that black slate, picked up one chalk and draw one wonderful sketch of a woman with all possible details. That too in record 5 minutes time, with all ease in fact. And that changed my overall attitude towards drawing any sketch or something. He then asked me to draw it myself, and after initial hesitation, I then went for it. Well, what to tell you on this? The first 2-3 sketches of mine went bizarre, but after practicing for good 7-8 sketches, I got the hold of all line work, that how to articulate all lines in certain ways, whether it is curved ones or the straighter ones. They do have certain meaning for sure. Every curve, every length of line has its own ways of telling one simple story of it, and that is what missing from my end. But when I understood those basics, Ekta, and with few more practice sessions on that black slate, I got the hold of all drawing skills. Not good as that of any artist or something, but yes, I could draw any simple object on that black slate. Then with proper practice, I then continued it on paper. I also increased my speed at it, and in the end I got what I was looking for earlier, and this made me skilled in all drawing and sketches. And I understood one different world altogether to go with, a new way of hobby or making yourself happy or something. And then slowly it became my hobby. Well, ma'am, why the black slate here? Why not drawing canvas paper or even simple white paper with all pencil, brushes, erasers and all, ma'am? Why that one only? Well, Ekta, exactly the same question I then asked to my father, and he told me that the basic was in it was to come out of my fears of drawing simple lines. I drew them, and if I won't like them, then I could erase them very easily with cloth or duster. Then I would again try for it. This erase draw pattern took very lesser time than we could do it with paper and pencil. Forget about the brushes. Brushes are the weapons of the artist, so you can't go for that for sure. So, coming back to the pencil and paper relationship with respect to slate and chalk, it was always easier to erase your mistakes of chalk on your slate than erasing pencil sketch on any paper. So, that is what it was. My father wanted to take out that fear of erasing my mistakes with the help of slate. And that was the simple thing I realized after that. And then I never looked back. Once I streamlined my line work on that slate with chalk, same aggression I then carried on paper with pencil. And then rest was history. I could then draw any kind of art form with proper understanding of line work. The sense of its intensity, Ekta. And then it buried all ghost of my issue once for all. Hmm, understood, ma'am. What I need to do. Yes, I do confess that I'm poor in my sketching skills. And with your example now in front of me, I can now try this method to come out of my trauma regarding this issue. Surely, ma'am. Yes, Ekta. You have got it in exact ways, dear. One thing was there. Apart from that initial sketch of a woman, my father then never helped me at it. He just used to look at my line work, and with his look itself, I could sense what must have went wrong in that, and I simply corrected myself in my mistakes. So in a way, I learned all myself.